Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Blue Computing. Today I am going to show you how to solve blue screen error of Windows 10 or 11. First, we have to understand why blue screen occurs. There are some reasons. Number 1, physical RAM problem. Number 2, hard disk bad sector. Number 3, Windows system files missing. Number 4, virus that corrupt your system files. Today, I am going to show you how to solve blue screen error by cleaning computer physical RAM. I have a computer that shows blue screen. Also, restarts computer several times. So, I am going to clean my RAM. To do this, I opened up cover of my desktop computer. You can see that the RAM location. Just unlock the RAM from the two sides. Now, take an eraser. Try to clean your RAM teeth. There are several sensitive pins. So, do rub gently. Take your time and clean it from the two sides. If you are satisfied that all the teeth have cleaned completely, stick it in place. Make sure that it has locked completely. Now, you can see that my computer has started and blue screen problem has been solved. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the full video.